Had a feeling we had something. Could've seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine if you don't know me. So today, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen and my kitchen is very disorganized. It's actually disorganized, it's not as dirty. So I want to clean the utensils here, clear the countertop. I also want to clean the fridge because I will be restocking it this weekend. So I want to clean it. Then I want to unbox something that I got from Kamkunji. It's actually a rack. Yes, a dish rack. I finally got a dish rack. So I want to unbox it, and I also want to clean my pantry jars ready for restocking. So please join me in this and let's do this together. Please give the video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and thank you for your support. So I'm starting with clearing this dish rack because I want to wash this one and keep it away. I will be using another one. So I want to keep this away. Then I clear these utensils that are here and I will go ahead and clear the pantry. I wash the jars of the pantry, the storage jars, storage baskets in the fridge, and organize my cabinets and generally just clean all the whole kitchen.
Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Your fingers tell me so. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my. Had a feeling we had something. Could've seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my. What you think? What you think? Cause you're in my. What you think?
So I now want to clean these baskets. These baskets, I use them for onions, fruits, and some veggies, some potatoes, some raw bananas. Yes, that is what I use these baskets for. So I just want to clear them and clean them. Yeah, I will be restocking them. You know, it's end month, and I will be going to the market. So I don't want to restock on dirty baskets, so I just want to wash them clean, wipe the surfaces here, and when I'll be restocking, they will be all clean, so I won't have to start cleaning again before restocking.
Over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking about you and me. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are, cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are, cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? Cause you're in my head. I don't wanna let you go, I don't wanna let you go.
This is the space that I use as my pantry. These cabinets are very high, and I have to step on a stool to be able to access them. So I've just removed my storage containers from there, and I will be cleaning the surfaces. I will be cleaning this space. The two containers that are full, I won't be cleaning them as per now. One is for baking flour, and the other is some tea bags that I rarely use. Yes, those tea bags are very tasteless. That's why I rarely use them. So I'm cleaning the surfaces. Then I will go ahead and clean those pantry jars. Those jars are from Kamkunji, and if you haven't watched my video of pantry jars from Kamkunji, please go to my channel and watch that video. These pantry jars, I always get them from the Place shop and the Place building. There is a shop there called Alpha Bees. That's where I always get my acrylic jars. So after the pantry space, I am just in the cabinets that has utensils, and this space is clean. I'm just going to organize the cups well. My daughter, when she's washing utensils, she normally gets difficulties in reaching this space, so she just puts the cups however she likes. So I always come here and organize just to make sure that everything is neat. So after organizing, I'm just wiping the cabinet doors, and that will be it.
I want you to stay.
At this other space, I keep my few electronics and plates at the bottom. But when I get another pantry, I will be transferring the electronics to the side where you saw the pantry jars. And this will be strictly for plates and bowls. Yes, and serving bowls. This is the space that will be used for such things. And the electronics will be transferred to the other space. So I'm just organizing here as well, so that everything can be neat. So down below is where I keep some chopping boards, trays, a few plastics that I have, and my sufurias. So I'm just removing everything and clean the space, then organize them back. Yes, this place is used. It's used oftenly, and if I don't be keen on it, it normally gets very disorganized. So I always try and organize it oftenly. Yes, when I get time, I normally try and organize it. Where plastics are all just miscellaneous items, that space tends to get disorganized a lot.
I want you to stay. I want you to stay. I want you to stay.
now that I'm done with organizing, I'm going back to these pantry jars. I'll be washing them and let them dry. Yes. So when I'll be refilling them, they will be all clean. Most of the items are have filled up. The others haven't been put in the jars yet. When they filled up, I didn't want to refill them. I just wanted to wait and wash them before refilling. So when I go for shopping for cereals and the rest of the items, that is when I'll be refilling these containers and organizing them in their cabinets. For now, I'll just wash them and let them dry and keep them.
Is it okay if I'm to say I'm catching feelings from all the dealings? Am I astray? What do you say? How are you feeling? Is it the same? I hope you're not planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy.
These big plastic containers that you are seeing here, I always use them to store my plastic containers, my smaller plastic containers that I use to keep leftover foods or just store food in the freezer. The reason why I keep them here and lock them is so that they just don't get scattered everywhere. You know, these containers can really get scattered everywhere. So when I lock them here, I know they are neat and easily accessible. You won't get them scattered everywhere.
My bona fide, my up when I'm down, she's always beside me. She makes me feel alive, I won't deny. Her love for me is real and kinda suicide. She's not the same, she's such a rare type. She's far from plain, at least in my eyes. She said if I cross her, I'll be in the grave or under a type, but yeah, that's still my babe. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know.
I also want to clean the fridge because it's not full. Most of the foodstuffs have been used. Most of the foods I prepare or I keep, they last us for a month. So most of the foods are done. So I'm just going to wash it. Then when I'll go to the open air market, it will all be clean for restocking again. So here I'm washing these storage containers, and these fridge storage containers I also got them from Kamkunji. For the plastic ones, you can get them in any shop in Kamkunji, but for the acrylic ones, you will get them at the same place that I told you, Kamkunji, the place shop. The name of the shop is called Alphabis. The name of the building is called The Place. Kindly go there. If you're interested, you will get some for yourself. For the acrylic ones, for now, it is 1,100 per tin. And for the plastic ones, they used to be 350, but now I understand prices have gone up. So you might get them at 400 or 450 Kenya shillings.
Is it okay if I'm to say I'm catching feelings from all the dealings? Am I astray? What do you say? How are you feeling?
Back to the fridge, I'm going to wash it using warm soapy water and vinegar. Then I will go, after washing it with warm soapy water, I will just go in again with warm water without soap, so that I can just be sure that it is well cleaned.
We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role.
one of my fans had requested for a review of this fridge. So let me know if any of you also wants a review of this fridge. The fridge is Samsung. So let me know if you are interested in the review. Comment in the comment section below, and I will do it if I see many people interested in the review of the same.
We under attack, but yeah, that's still my bae. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't.
So right now I'm just wiping the walls of the kitchen. I'm using Magni antibacterial cleaner to wipe these walls. They are not as dirty because I had done a deep cleaning of the house a few weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago. So the kitchen wasn't that dirty, but I just felt like I should wash it because I needed everything clean.
Getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. Getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role.
So my phone went off and I had to recharge it. So I went ahead and returned the containers that I had washed. I returned the fridge containers and the pantry containers. So right now I'm just cleaning the floor and we will be done. So this is how I managed to organize everything, and I love the way everything turned out clean and well organized. So right now I'm done and I'm going to unbox a rack. I have kept the blue one. So one of my fans saw the video that I was talking about me hating the blue rack, and she sponsored me with this beautiful rack that I love so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sponsoring me with this rack. May God really bless you a lot. May God bless you and your family. You just don't know how happy I am with this rack, and it's a very strong rack, and it's very good for my space because I don't have a counter space. So I'll be putting it over the sink, and I really love it. So we are just here with my hubby. Hubby is trying to help me fix the rack. And I will be going ahead to start preparing some pancakes because I just feel that I want some hot tea and pancakes, and the kids also want some pancakes. They've been singing that they need some pancakes, so that is what I'm going ahead to prepare as hubby fixes this rack.
I got nothing to hide. I got nothing to hide. I got nothing to hide. Nothing, got nothing to hide. Nothing, got nothing to hide. I got nothing.
So if you are interested in such a type of rack or the 3-tier rack that is not over the sink, please go to Kamkunji and go to the new building or the place building at Trendy Kitchens. You will get this rack there. It costs 5,000 shilling. Also companion kitchen, the shop that Nyawera Vlogs always vlogs about, it has these racks too. So they cost 5,000 Kenya shillings. So if you're interested, kindly check there and you will get yourself one.
I got nothing to hide. Nothing, got nothing to hide. Nothing, got nothing to hide. I got nothing.
So right now, we have already fixed the rack, and I'm just washing the blender that I used to mix the dough and the whisker and other few things. You know, after cleaning for all those hours, all you want to do is just make sure that everything is clean. No one ever wants to find even a single dirty thing in the kitchen or in the space that she has cleaned. So that is what I'm doing, and I'm just making sure that everything is clean. So the space that I used to put the blue rack, I think I will use that space for as my coffee station when I get the required items very soon. So for now, I'll just be using it to put these tea flasks. Yeah, I will be using it to put the tea flasks. And I love that I have a little bit bigger space than it used to be. The kitchen is a bit open and bright than it used to be when it had the blue rack. So hubby is just trying to cool some tea because the kids are requesting for tea, and so she's making some tea for them.
I got nothing to hide. I got nothing to hide.
So I'm done with the pancakes, and this is how they look, and this is the sink area that I love so much. So thank you guys for always watching my content, for your support. Thank you so much, and let me see you in my next video.